All right, so if you're replacing this twist lock, you're gonna wanna start by loosening it up, pulling it down, dropping back the handlebars here, and removing this screw. Mine is kind of loose, so I can do it by hand, but you might need a set of pliers because it's kind of sunk in there a little bit, and pliers will help you get in there real deep. But this one's pretty loose, so I can take it off by hand. So I have it off. Now I can remove it here. Just make sure you don't lose anything. So you'll see the parts are going to be the twist lock with screw. Then next, this washer is applied. And then there's a spring. So these three parts you'll take first when you have your new one, and you'll want to put it back threaded through the hole here at the bottom. And then you'll take your new replacement nut, and you'll want to push this up through, because the tighter you can push it up through, the more this pops up for you to be able to get it on. You might actually want to bring it more to the middle here as well. So if it's in the middle, pushed up, then you can actually get this little nut in there easier. And then you can just tighten it by hand to start. And you'll just want to take your pliers and get in there and give it a couple more turns just to make sure you got it on there good, because you'll want to make sure that the lock is nice and tight. And then you should be all set. There you go.